Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare finger millet cookies with and without oven. For this, let us take half a cup of ragi flour, that is finger millet flour. Dry roast this for around 3 to 4 minutes. Dry roast this in low flame until you get some nice aroma. You can switch on the flame now and let it cool. After it cools down, transfer this into another bowl. To this, add half a cup of wheat flour, one teaspoon of baking powder, and half a cup of powdered sugar. Our dry ingredients are over. Give a nice mix. Mix this well, and next we are going to add half a cup of chilled butter. This is around 100 grams. We are going to crumble this. You have to mix this well until it looks like breadcrumbs. This is fine. Next we are going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And now start adding milk little by little and form a stiff dough. We got a stiff dough. This is perfect, and we are going to cover this with a cling, and we are going to put this in the refrigerator for another 30 minutes. Cover it well and put it in the refrigerator, and this 30 minutes is for the butter to get stiff. This is after 30 minutes. Dust some flour. Now we can take out our cookie dough. We are going to roll this until 1 centimeter thickness, and be very careful, the dough will be very soft. Rolling is over. Next we are going to shape it with a cookie cutter. Collect the rest of the dough and shape it again. If you are going to bake it in an oven, you have to preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and you have to cook this at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. And if you want to use a cooker, grease a plate with oil or butter. Arrange the cookie dough. Now add 1 cup of salt into the cooker. Place a cooker stand above this. And now place our prepared plate. Close the cooker, start at high flame for 5 minutes and lower the flame and cook for around 20 to 25 minutes without whistle. This is ready. We can take it out. Our cookies are ready. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.